Yo, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Jay. Back at it here again with the Crimson Camry. I'm back inside my interior, inside the car and everything. So as you read the description, we will be installing a dash cam into the Camry. This is my first dash cam ever. I've been wanting to get one for quite some time now. Because you just never know what might happen. You get in an accident, or maybe you get in an accident, it's the other person's fault, and you gotta have proof. Or maybe you're not near your car is parked somewhere and somebody it up, or excuse me, somebody hits your crap, and they don't leave a note, they don't stay by to find you anything. So you gotta let the authorities handle the situation. So that, and you could capture some pretty cool moments while you're driving. If you shouldn't be texting and recording while you're driving and stuff like that, but everybody does that anyway. So I'm not sure about you, but I know I do. So anyway, yeah, so I got a dash cam from Nexar. It's Nexar. The reason why I went ahead and got Nexar is because the ad has been popping up on my feed, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere I go, the ad kept popping up. So I was like, you know what, I'm finally going to invest into it. I had like a little discount code for it, so go ahead and get it. So this is the dash cam right here. Looks pretty cool. It's on both sides, so that way it records the interior and exterior. What's going on. So like from the exterior point of view, the front windshield, and the interior, it'll show what's happening around the car as a wide view, and what's happening in the rear back windshield too. So yeah, so it comes with stuff, comes a little thing to hook up to the window. It clicks them right in there, so it'll hang up like this. Okay. They give us a little plastic trim tool that I'm not going to use probably, so I can hide the wire. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing that, just in case if you want to invest into getting Nexar. It don't have to be the same expensive one that I got, but you could also get one of theirs, and you can see how you can hide the wire and everything. They also have a kit, a hardwired kit, and I'm not gonna get into that yet. I'll probably make a future video for that later on. But we're gonna go ahead and get to it because it's very simple. So yeah, guys, so I got the wire here. The wire is pretty damn long. So what we're going to do is, because the wire it has, obviously it's in the cigarette part. So it's going to be plugged up to right here, right? And we're going to run this wire, through here, inside this part right here, all the way through here, up in here. And then the dash cam either going to sit on this side or this side. I haven't really made up my mind yet. So, but yeah, that's how we're going to put it. They come with little clips too, if you have a hard time running it on the inside of your parts. You can easily put these along your windshield right here so the wire can stay up. But we're gonna do this as clean as possible because I'm not trying to see no wires hanging out of my car. Here's the dash cam right here. There's a little clip right here where you could just, for example, if I wanted to put it right here, just so to speak, boom. Okay, just like that. It looks good, man. I like that. So yeah, I think the spot that I'm going to put it at is going to be right here for right now. I might move my Easy Pass over to the other side, and then so I can move this just slightly more over, because as you see, I have a really wide extension on my rear view mirror, and like it gives me, like, you see it shows everything in the back. Like, yeah, this is top tier, guys. Like, I'm not sure if you want to invest in this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the description below. I got off of Amazon. Like when I'm on the highway, I can see every single lane behind me now, not just the 1 or 2 lanes that I can see. So yeah, this is a good investment. But yeah, as I'm saying, I don't want to put it too far over because this camera right here has to be able to see, this side. So I don't want to cover that. So I mean, it doesn't stick out that far. It's about like 1.5 inches past it, so I probably moved over just a little bit. So first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and move this piece right here, somewhere right here. It's hard to do this with one hand. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. All right, there we go. There we go. Move this piece out the way, just like that. The next thing we're going to remove is going to be this part right here. This right here comes right out, just like that. All right. You want to be careful too, because this part right here is connected to the S trim right here. For people who's wondering on how I got my interior wrapped, this is exactly how the pieces came out. So go ahead and take this out carefully now, because I ain't trying to mess anything up. You could grab right here and it comes right out, and then you want to grab right here. All right, as you see, boom. All right, now this came out. I'm gonna lay that right over there. The next thing we're gonna go ahead and take off would be this part, I guess. Yeah, this part comes off too. All right. Yeah, this is how I got everything wrapped, guys. So next, we're gonna go ahead and take this off right here. And see what it looks like. Okay, I never took this out off before. So I did. I took the rubber trim door jamb out right here. This lane right here, if you can see it. And then this right here, you just got to pull on this part. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you would have to watch out for this right here, this little thing right here. But we're not gonna go that far, because if you ever do decide to install that heads-up display, it is really tough to get this piece right here off. It's very tough. So we're just gonna leave it just like that, guys. And honestly, we're gonna go ahead and start running the wire through where it needs to be at. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. I think I should move the easy pass down so I can get it exactly where I want it to be. I moved the easy pass out the way. I put my camera right here. I'm most likely, you know, depending on how the view look, because this is a wide angle, so this might still be in the way. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. But this is not the important part of where I'm placing it at, because everybody's gonna have their own different style where they want to put the camera at. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up, and so we could get into the hide in the wire part, because that's the most important part of it all. All right. So I'm gonna plug it up right here. It's plugged in. So now I'm just gonna instantly. I guess I could use that trim tool they provided, or I'll just use my own. It doesn't really matter. Bruh, you guys have no idea how hard it is to do this with one hand. For real, bro. This is crazy. All right, but you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna start doing this right here, holding just like that, and then I'm gonna wrap it down going through there. I see this process right now. So I ran it up here just like I said I would. I brung it around here before I clipped it back in. I brung it down here. I put it inside here. I ran it through here. And as of right now, I have it right here. I'm trying to get it inside here. That way I can bring it down. More complicated than it had to be. But as I said, I ran it inside this hole right here. And it was hard, but I got it through here. And then after I got it through here, I put it inside this hole. And I grabbed it from under here. And then now the wire is sitting right here. So now I'm about to go ahead and hide everything. Probably just go ahead and stick this inside here. Really don't care about that. No one's never going to see it anyway. Just for now, until I decide I want to hardwire, and I'm sick of seeing this sitting right here. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's the process right now. I'm gonna put everything back together, and then we'll go from there. I hit everything. Everything's good. All right. And as you can see, the way I have it, this is all you can see. And you know, let's see how long I deal with this until I get sick of it. I mean, it's cool to have an extra USB sitting here now, but that's really it. That was pretty easy. So now, this is gonna be the end of me talking right here. I'm gonna come back at the end. The next video clip I'm gonna put inside is gonna be a view of what it looks like from the exterior and the interior. As for the second clip that shows the interior of my car, I'm just trying to show y'all, you know, what it looks like from the inside. You can see me walking around the car right there going into work. You can see the back windshield, you know, all your blind spots and everything. So if anything ever happened, you need to record it, it would be good. That's really it. Like that was pretty good footage. I like it. You know, there's a lot of more play around that I need to do with the app. There's an app that comes with it, so you control all that stuff and cut up the clips and do different things. But yeah, man. So if you guys like it, let me know. I'm gonna put this link down in the description below. You know, and if I get a discount code, I'll send that to y'all too. So yeah, so it looks good, man. So that's all I got for you guys today. As always, you know, I appreciate all you guys. You know, if you're enjoying the journey of what I'm doing to my car, you know, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. You know, I always reply back and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I'm kind of tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up now. So you guys have a good one and stay tuned to the next video. Peace out.